What's the meaning of contagion? Contagion. Contagion.
Contagion. Contagion. Contagion refers to the spread of a disease or illness from one individual to another. The term may also refer to the spread of thoughts, emotions, or behaviors through a group of people. In both cases, the contagion can result in a rapid and widespread transmission of the disease, idea, or behavior, often leading to an epidemic or pandemic. The impact of contagion can be severe, with significant health, social, and economic consequences. Controlling the spread of contagion requires measures such as vaccination, quarantine, and public health education campaigns.